So we have been running this series from last 6 months, and we have got a very good result in terms of student requesting us, student giving us a suggestion to compare few IIMs versus few non-IIMs and various other non-IIM programs. Now this time we have come up with the three colleges. This is particularly on student demand. Some of the student demanded us to compare NMIMS with Christ, NMIMS with Symbiosis. So we thought, let us compare all three of them together. So we are going to compare NMIMS, Symbiosis, and Christ University. So let's start. Let's see the program and the various campus that this colleges or university have to offer. Okay, so if we talk about NMIMS, it has integrated BBA MBA, it has a BBA program, BSc Finance, BSc Economics, Branding and Advertisement, BBA Fintech, BBA IB, which is International Business, BBA which is Branding and Marketing Management, BBA Finance, BA Liberal Studies, and BCom. Okay, so total there are some around 4,000 odd seats in the NMIMS campus. If we talk about the Symbiosis, they have BBA, BBA in Information Technology, they have BCA, BS Economics, BA in Mass Communication, BBA in Media Management, Liberal Studies, Applied Statistics and Data Science, Artificial Intelligence, and BSc Sports. Roughly around 2,000 odd seats as for Symbiosis University have. Moving on to the Christ, they have launched integrated BBA MBA this year. Multiple BBA programs, they have, I would say, that plethora of program that they have: BBA, BS Economics, and so many other variations in BBA. They have BCom, they have accountancy, psychology, and you name it, and you will find the program in the Christ University. Till last year, BBA integrated MBA program was not available. This year, they have also started that program. Number of seats, they are not disclosed, nothing mentioned on their website, so no data is available about Christ University there. If we talk about the campuses, all the three universities they are located at multiple locations. So NMIMS is located at Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chandigarh, and Indore. Talk about Symbiosis, Pune, Nagpur, Noida, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. If we talk about Christ, Bangalore, which is Central Campus, Bannerghatta Road, Yashwantpura, Kangeri, and it is also located at Pune, Lavasa, and Delhi, NCR. Okay, so this is about the program and the campuses of NMIMS, Symbiosis, and Christ University. If we talk about the entrance test, the attempt that a student can give, and the selection criteria, student can apply in NMIMS through NPAT. SAT scores are also accepted. A maximum 3 attempt one can give, and in 2 different phases. Now from this year, NMIMS is going to be conducted in 2 different phases. We have made a separate video on phase 1 and phase 2, how the ranking and how the admission would be conducted. So if you want to have a detail about phase 1, phase 2 admission, please go and watch the IMS video there. The admission is based on the merit ranked in the NPAT score. It is best out of 3. They do not give you the score. There is no percentile. It's the only merit rank that the NMIMS is disclosed. For Symbiosis, the admission is through SET, which is Symbiosis Entrance Test, maximum 2 attempt on the 2 dedicated days. Whereas in case of NMIMS, you can write the exam across, February, March, April, May. You can write whenever you want to. You'll have to book the slot and you'll have to write it. Final admission is based on the composite score of the SAT score and 30% personal interview. We talk about Christ University. It is conducted in 2 rounds. Admissions are offered after first round and after second round separately. Now, admission will be offered in the second round only for those program and campus if the seats are available after round 1 admission got over. There's an entrance test, then there's a skill assessment, micro presentation, and personal interview. So all the 3 SA, MP, and PI are conducted on the same day. It is just one process conducted by the panel. That's it. There are no 4 separate things that you have to go through. It is one, and the remaining 3 being part of one PI panel discussion, you can say that. Okay, so this is about selection test and entrance test and selection criteria. Moving on to the fees and placement. So the BBA fees ranges from 4 to 5.5 lakh. Integrated BBA MBA at NMIMS is around 6.5 lakh. BSc program at 4 lakhs. BBA Finance and BBM program ranges from 8.5 to 9.5 lakh. Accommodation is not inclusive in this fees. The average placement is around 6.5 to 9 lakh rupees per annum. If you talk about Symbiosis, BBA is 5.5 to 6 lakhs, BSc is 5 to 7 lakh, BBA IT and BCA is 4 lakh, liberal art is 7 lakhs. Again, here the hostel charges are inclusive. So you can see here that the fees is higher, but here the hostel and accommodation is not inclusive. Here the hostel fees are inclusive. The average placement is around 5.5 lakh to 8 lakh rupees per annum. And in case of Christ, for most of the program, I mean, again, because there are so many programs, the fees ranges from 1.5 to 5 lakh rupees per program. For the BBA program, it is around 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs per program, depending upon the course and the campus. If you talk about the average salary, it is around 5.5 to 7 lakh rupees per annum. So obviously, it's clear that NMIMS, the average placement is slightly on the higher side. Moving on to the brand value and culture, NMIMS is known as a premium, expensive, corporate style B school brand. Whereas, Symbiosis has a reputation for law, BBA, media, and it's a strong reputation when it comes to an undergraduate studies. Christ is famous for its high discipline, high volume of students, and holistic education. If we talk about the culture, obviously being in Mumbai, there are various locations, but the main campus is in Mumbai. It is fast paced, extremely competitive, and very strict academics. You will see some of the students who will drop out after maybe 3 months or 4 months due to very rigor and the strict policies on attendance. If you talk about Symbiosis, it is a great campus infrastructure. It is on campus residential program, diverse crowd along with international students present. So 12 to 18 students for in every program, they are from outside India. So you have a cross cultural learning happening on the campus. And with Christ University, formal dress code is mandatory, 85% attendance strictly enforced, and there is an emphasis focused on extracurricular activity. So, that's what we said. It is highly disciplined. Dress code is mandatory in Christ. So this was all about NMIMS, Symbiosis, and Christ. I am sure this information, this comparison was useful to you, and I'm sure you will be able to gauge which university, which college is better for you. I am sure you can deep dive into the college, use the grad school zone, and you will be able to deep dive into all these colleges, which all programs all these colleges offer, and the exact information on all these programs and everything. You will be able to get the information on a grad school zone. I am sure this information was useful. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you, and all the best for your preparation.